Why do Band 7 speakers sound smoother even when their vocabulary is not difficult? Because they speak in chunks, not single words. Most Band 6 candidates build their sentences word by word. People maybe should exercise, but fluent speakers use ready-made English patterns. For example, one of the main reasons is that what I find interesting is it depends on the situation. I've never really thought about it before, but these are called language chunks, and your brain processes chunks faster than individual grammar rules. That means fewer pauses, better fluency, and more natural speaking. So instead of memorizing isolated vocabulary, collect useful sentence patterns from real conversations and practice them repeatedly. Fluency is often pattern recognition, not vocabulary size.